Getting extra baggage in Air India is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can get extra baggage in Air India. So for that, you have to be at any of the browser and you have to go to their website, which is Air India. I'm just going to type it and I will go to this website. What we will do is, if you already have booked a flight and you want to add the extra packaging, you just have to click on this manage booking and you have to click on manage booking under manage sections. Now here you guys can see they want you to add the reference number of your booking and your last name. After adding these information, you just have to click on this submit button, and what it will do is it will take you to your booking page where you can add the extra baggage for some amount of money that they will charge for the extra baggage. But if you don't have any booking and you want to create a new booking, so for that you just need to click on book and search flights. So when you start booking the flight, in the process of booking you'll also see an option for baggage and you can add the extra baggage. So I'm just going to tell you how the extra baggage. So if I go to the baggage section here, if I go to the excess baggages, and there you guys can see all the information regarding extra baggage. So you just need to be careful while booking the flight that you want to add extra baggage. While booking the flight, you always see the option for extra baggage. You just have to check that, and you also have to add the weight that you are carrying. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can add extra baggage in your Air India flight. Hope you guys find this very helpful.